Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Smartsheet sheet hierarchy after restructure, full guide step by step clearly. To restore the Smartsheet sheet hierarchy after a restructure, begin by opening your Smartsheet account. Locate the sheet you want to restore. Click on the sheet to open it. Navigate to the top left corner and select the View menu. From the drop-down, choose Hierarchy. Make sure that the Show Hierarchy option is enabled. This will display any parent-child relationships that currently exist. If the hierarchy is not visible, click on the Indent option located in the toolbar. Use the Indent option to adjust rows into a hierarchy as needed. Select a row that you want to be a child row. Click the Indent button to make it a child of the row above it. To create a parent row, select the child row and click the Outdent button. Repeat this process for all rows to restore their proper hierarchy. Once you've finished structuring the hierarchy, review the layout to ensure it meets your needs. If necessary, click and drag rows to adjust their order manually. Always save your changes to avoid losing your adjustments. Finally, confirm that the hierarchy is displayed correctly by navigating through the sheet. Your Smartsheet sheet hierarchy is now restored. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.